Everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today we are up by BenidORM Palace. Got the new McDonald's just over the road there, which I'm surprised that's staying open. I'm surprised it gets any customers. I mean, it is a bit out the way. Quad bikes and doom buggies there. Got Mike with us.
Hey guys.
Across the road from the palace is of course Hotel Mediterranean. Beautiful hotel. Of course, the new show at BenidORM Palace is via part of their Elements series type thing they've got going on. There's a palace there. You can of course book tickets to a show at the palace at the ticket office up here. Also at Round Travel, think there is also a place in the indoor market where you can book tickets or your hotel / holiday rep may be able to sort something out for you. Now, of course, I would highly recommend the BenidORM Palace, guys, if you haven't been before. It is an absolutely amazing show. It is bringing Las Vegas to BenidORM, well worth the money. Now, the thing I've come to have a look at though is what used to be BenidORM Circus. Now, if you've been watching the channel lately, you will of course know that it has been completely took down, the tent and everything, and from what I can see, it still looks pretty empty down in that area, so yeah, I'm not really too sure what happened. I mean, I thought it were going well at the BenidORM Circus, and now of course it's just gone. Like most tourist attractions in BenidORM, one day they're here, the next day they're gone. Wow. Zoom in a bit so you can see better. So the circus were just like down in that area. Tent were huge. So as you can guess, it's took them quite some time to take the whole tent down. From this area as well, we can see right across to the other side of BenidORM bus station, Terra Mythica, just there, the big theme park, up the back of BenidORM as well. So, if anyone does actually know why the BenidORM Circus has finished, comment down below, guys. Does sadly, however, seem like...
Got an idea.
Go on.
Somebody's playing around with it.
Someone's clowning around with it. What a joke. Does seem like, guys, that the season's slowly coming to an end. Seems to be getting a bit cooler each day. Less people out and about. Me and Mike also saw one of the lorries with some peddlers on coming up past our apartment, so not sure whether that's because they're broke and need repair or whether it is because it's the end of season. I mean, they do have the sort of stuff required to take all of them back to the garage. Does also make me think as well, what's going to happen with the inflatable obstacle course at the end of the season? Are they just going to leave it there or take it down?
We've already gone.
Maybe. Pink House over there. Now, if you don't know what the Pink House is, it is used for the reception of the Hotel Solana on one of Britain's favourite TV shows, BenidORM. Does seem like there's people gone in there as well. One of the doors is open, so...
So this working there, Marcus?
I've said this before and I was wrong about it, but I'll say it again. Is this a sign of BenidORM making a return?
It's going to be an all new cast if they do.
Yeah, it will be probably a whole new cast if they do. Maybe you will see some old faces in it, but I mean, it ain't gonna be the same. I mean, you should hope it makes a return, because it ended on a cliffhanger. I mean, that's when we saw the Solana, it were going into administration. But what happens? Does Madge and the Garveys buy it? Does Joyce lose her job? Also, you got us in overseas cross of hope. One of the expats' favourite shops here, of course. You can guess why. All the English products I do. Carry on up towards this end now. We are sort of in a quarter area of BenidORM, but you do have all the campsites round here, all the expat bars as well. There is one of the many quad bike and dream buggy rental places here in BenidORM. They are well worth it, guys. They do look really fun. Trying to see how long I've done. Okay, guys, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Au revoir. Or adios. Yeah, adios.